Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create amazing copy for your Instagram brand. Are you looking for a guide on how to use ChatGPT to create amazing copy for your Instagram? Well, stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so we have a document here on pretty much like how to create good copy for your Instagram brand or business. Like if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner and you want to market your brand, your products or services online on every social media, and specifically for this video, Instagram. Well, there are a few things that we are going to tackle first before we go to ChatGPT. So, one of the first things that you should consider is adjusting your copywriting formula for Instagram ads. So, some copywriting formulas are considered classics for a reason. They've been successfully converting clients for decades, if not longer. For example, the problem agitate solve or PAS formula seamlessly highlights the customer's concern, briefly amplifies the pain, and then hints at a solution. Know when to keep your ad copy short and sweet. There's no magic number for how many characters or lines in an Instagram ad caption should be. Same with other social media, right? It depends on your audience and how well uh, they know your brand. So if they're currently in the market for a product or service, do they still have major objections to overcome? So there are a few things you need to consider for this. So no introduction is needed because your prospect is already familiar with your brand and offer. So intro with no introduction, you don't need that. You've created a highly targeted Instagram ad audience, so everyone who sees the ad is from a similar demographic or at the same stage of the buyer's journey. And lastly, your audience is ready to convert and just needs a gentle nudge to take action. So another concern is to make your offer abundantly clear as early as possible. So just like organic Instagram posts, ad captions can include up to 2,200 characters. Um, whether you're at the pace where you use it or you keep it concise, it's a good idea to make your offer clear upfront. If you present the offer in the first 100 or so characters of the copy, you can ensure that it's clear to your audience even if they don't click to read more. So the first 100 characters, the first couple sentences is the most important. You need to be upfront to the point of what your service or product is so that you have a better chance of converting, right? And number three, echo landing page language in your Instagram ad copy. So that just means that how you go about with words on your landing page on your website should be the same with your Instagram ads or your Instagram copies in general. So to create successful conversion campaigns on Instagram, it's important to craft an irresistible offer and then deliver on the landing page. So these two need to go hand in hand, right? Repurposing selected landing page snippets in the ad copy is an efficient way to accomplish this goal. After all, reusing key phrases also reinforces the ad's messaging and confirms that the offer is exactly what prospects expect. So SEO comes into play here. And number four, align your call to action with Instagram's CTA buttons. So no matter how convincing your ad copy might be, you can expect your audience to take the next step without a clear plan of action, whether you place it at the beginning and or both conversion campaigns need that prospects can resist. So the most effective CTAs start with action verbs and urge prospects to do something specific. For example, you can encourage your audience to buy now or get started. If you can add an extra incentive, you may get even better results. So call to actions that show a bit of incentive have a better chance of converting, whether it's a product or a service, right? So now that we talked about this, how do we use ChatGPT for this? Um, so, for example, let's use number four, call to action, right? Um, so, for example, we have an Instagram account, act as a copywriter who specializes in Instagram copy and create an enticing and engaging copy for uh dog doggy daycare service, right? For example, um I want you to have a strong CTA at the beginning, specifically the first 100 characters. Emphasize the amazing facilities, experienced and loving staff, and focus on providing an incentive of having 10% off for the month of August if they procure your services. Right? The this his name is Angelus Doggy Daycare. Um, Also take note that the photo this copy goes with is a photo of a couple of your staff members playing with puppies in in your lobby. So just kind of like put some uh like very specific things. Let's see what we get. There you go. This is very easy to understand. It's kind of enticing too. So, calling all dog lovers, treat your furry friends to the ultimate care at Angelus Doggy Daycare. With our amazing facilities and devoted staff, your pups will experience pure tail wagging joy. Book now for August and enjoy 10% off on our exceptional services. Don't miss out on this special offer. It's positively fantastic. And the hashtags. Hashtag doggy daycare, hashtag pampered pups, hashtag Angelus Doggy Daycare, hashtag happy tail. So like that is a very like good example of like your first 10, right? Says here your first 10 or first 10 to first 100, right? Get started by now. So we have that too. It pretty much echoes your landing page. Uh, and it's very clear, make it abundantly clear as early as possible. You see it here, right? Um, you say you have amazing facilities, devoted staff. Your pets will experience an amazing time there. You also say this is, by the way, you don't need to click more. Uh, Book now August 10% off exceptional services. So this this is pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much how we start with like having amazing Instagram copy for your brand or business. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.